In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add manual time in Hubstaff. If you're managing a team or tracking your personal time, having precise and accurate logging is crucial for productivity and accountability. Whether you've forgotten to start the tracker or need to adjust hours, Hubstaff's manual time entry feature is here to help you stay organized. Let's take a moment and guide you through this seamless process. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser. You'll want to navigate to Hubstaff's website. Just type Hubstaff into your search bar and hit enter. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to sign in. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If not, you might want to pause our video and register first, but let's assume you're all set and logged in. Now that you're in, you'll see the main menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Timesheets, and from there, select View and Edit. This takes you to where all the time data for your activities can be reviewed. Here, you'll be able to see all of your time entries and make changes as needed. The next step is to choose the name of the user whose time entries you want to adjust. You'll find this by locating a drop-down menu, usually near the top of the page. If you're updating your own time, select your name. If you're managing others, scroll through and pick the appropriate user. After you've selected the right user, it's time to add the time entry. Look for the Add Time button. It's typically quite visible, so go ahead and click on that. This action prompts a pop-up window to appear on your screen. Here's where the fun part starts, entering the specifics for your time entry. In this pop-up window, you'll need to provide some key bits of information. Begin with selecting the project and task you're logging time for. This is essential for associating the time entry with the correct activity. Next, input your start and end times accurately to reflect the work done during the period. You'll also need to write a brief reason for this manual time entry. Most often, this can be an explanation like missed timer or offline work. Some additional options might include indicating whether the time is billable or not, which is crucial for proper invoicing and expense tracking. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, it's time to finalize your entry. Simply click the Save button to commit this manual time entry to your timesheet. Watch as this manual entry integrates seamlessly with previously recorded activities, ensuring that all time is accounted for. And there you have it. You've just added manual time in Hubstaff. Doing this ensures that all your hours are tracked properly and can greatly assist in accurate reporting and billing. Remember to double-check your entries for accuracy, as maintaining detailed records is vital for effective time management. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy organizing!